very great.
Oh, this is very nice.
We thank God, the driver of the days and night, for bringing us again. We thank him a lot, and we thank the founder of Eagle Eye Angle all the way. Eagle Eye Angle. Oh, what a great food. Today,
maybe I need a bit trim. You are any yet dead. Hey, I didn't know where they are for. Where they mean I come up and one, you know, we are dead, Papa. Yes, I am on a movie and I'm your Lucia.
Call it FUFU. I'll share with.
Yes, now let's do that. Eat them. Subscribe. Hi there. We'd like to appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for liking, subscribing, sharing and commenting on all our videos. We wouldn't have been here without you. Keep watching Eagle Eye Angle. We are the best.
Hello lovely family, welcome back to Eagle Eye Angle. If today is your first time, we say welcome. If I remember, we say thank you for following us up to date. Please, we are so happy that you guys have been following us up to date. Don't forget to subscribe, leave your comments and then your suggestion in the comment section. Like, comment, subscribe. In today's video, we are going to prepare lice soup. We are going to use tilapia to prepare lice soup, and then we enjoyed it with fufu. So please guys, take your seat. My auntie is going to introduce the ingredients for you guys. Thank you.
Okay, I heard for maybe a light soup and fufu. Into musha, never a debe tilapia, and a tomatoes, ye makwa ye debe ni, a cacadro, ye jena ye debe ni, garlic, ye crewman so ye debe ni, inchune, body, banshee.
You bite me. You bite me.
This is another time-saving video as we're setting our fire in two places. First, we are starting out with the tilapia. We're going to season it and have it placed on fire while we go peel our cassava and plantain, and also have that one placed in another fire. So to save time, this is what we intend to do today, and this was really quick and easy. Please welcome to Eagle Eye Angle. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to leave your thoughts. If you have any recipe requests for Victoria, kindly do so at the comment section and she is going to get back to you. First out with the tilapia, like you can see, seasoned it with onions and salt to taste, blended garlic, ginger. That is what is there. Season it with that and cover it and have it placed on fire, and also boil the tomato, habanero pepper that we're going to use and some onions, and also have that placed on fire and leave it to boil. Like I told you guys earlier, we are going to multitask today. We are doing everything in two separate fire to make it faster for us. So this is how to peel your cassava, okay? This is how to do it. Follow every step in the video to achieve the best result of whatever recipe you're seeing on this channel. So Victoria is going to have that peel properly and also peel our plantain and have everything washed thoroughly and have it sliced to her desired size and leave it on fire to boil. This was really quick and easy, unlike what we've been preparing here. Definitely, this is definitely one of the fastest meal to prepare if you're in a hurry, if you're hungry. And this is quite popular here in Ghana, so you are welcome to learn from Victoria, as she is the best as always. Quickly gonna place that on fire and leave that to boil as we get back to the other side of things to go see how the tilapia is doing. Like I said, it didn't take us time to get this ready, so if I were you, I'll try it. Please do not forget to add your salt into your plantain and cassava. I wanted to know why that is, and Victoria said it's because it helps to preserve the fufu, should in case you can't finish it immediately or you're not intending to eat it right away, it won't go bad due to the salt. The salt serves as preservative, so get that right. All right, this is what our tilapia looks like now. Victoria already blended her pepper, tomato, onions, and had it poured into the pot and leave it to continue boiling. This is definitely one of those meals I'll recommend you try. I definitely recommend that you try this. This is amazing. Now our cassava and plantain is ready. It's time for us to go pound it. We make sure we time everything so it can be ready at the same time with the soup, so we don't have to keep our fufu to get cold before the soup will be ready. And my goodness, the result is mind-blowing. I cannot wait for you to see everything that Victoria made. Now this is what the tilapia looks like. Really, we have progressed. No single one broke, so when you're doing this, be careful. Do not stir, don't be hard on it. Just gently make sure you do it as gentle as Victoria is doing. So we already added the okra and salt to taste, and this is almost ready, and Victoria confirmed that definitely it tastes so good. Now we're going to remove that and go back to pounding our our fufu, cassava and plantain. And this is how to do it. Do it like this and thank us later. Please, at this point in the video, we want to appreciate you for staying tuned. We want to appreciate your subscription. If you have not subscribed, kindly turn on the subscription button, press it, and also turn on the bell so that anytime we drop a video here, YouTube will notify you. So today, fufu, this is what we are doing, and the cool thing is this is happening on a Sunday afternoon. Just as we're just trying to run up everything, the rain came. That makes it even more amazing. Please keep on watching. Don't miss any part of this video, as Victoria has got the finished result to show you guys, and I cannot wait for you to see it. But right now we are still pounding our fufu, and this is definitely the yummiest, softest, and just amazing fufu ever. Please make sure you try this, and don't forget to like this video, share it for us, comment if there's something you don't agree with. Please feel free to leave your thoughts, and we are going to adjust. All right, with that being said, please keep on watching. Don't go nowhere. Don't forget to subscribe. We love you, we appreciate you. Stay watching. Thank you.
It's only the meat. Oh, now fufu is ready. We are about to eat, and then I'm serving with my tilapia. Please, guys, try this in your houses. It's very, very nice. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Leave your comments, everything inside there. Take this one. Okay. No. Ready, like. About 10 bags. soup to eat plain rice, at the same time fufu, any food at all you feel like you want to use it to eat, you can use it. So my soup is ready. Okay.
Oh, very great.
Oh, this is very nice.
We thank God, the driver of the days and night, for bringing us again. We thank him a lot, and we thank the founder of Eagle Eye Angle all the way. As we are here, we are not just coming to eat, but we are encouraging you, the viewers, to keep on the local, walk local, eat local, and drink local. I say you'll be very happy in your life. Eagle Eye Angle. Subscribe, share, and leave your comments. Oh, what a great food. Today,
Maybe I need a bit trim. You are any yet dead. Hey, I didn't know they are for. When they mean I come up and one, you know, we are dead, Papa. Yes, I am for no more than I'm your Lucia.
Today again, oh, this is only two combination, which
I've
is
never eaten 15 years before. This is very nice.
Let's go on.
Oh, this is the thing.
plantain and cassava found together. Call it FUFU. Call it FUFU. I'll share. Wait.
Let's move it. Please don't forget to subscribe and then like, leave your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave your comment, and also encourage us to do more. My little girl, eat them. Subscribe!
Oh, very great.
We thank the owner of AI Angle for this special food that I've never eaten before.
He ate fufu with okra soup. Now it's the first time to eat like soup.
Oh, very good. If you see the way I'm swimming in this kind of swimming pool, you know
What is going on?
nobody will tell you the soup is very palatable. I swear.
Thank you for watching us. But don't forget to subscribe. We love you.
Hi there. We would like to appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for liking, subscribing, sharing and commenting on all our videos. We wouldn't have been here without you. Keep watching Eagle Eye Angle. We are the best.